Hey Diesel Repair Shops, this is Carlos from ERD Powertrain. Today I just want to show you some of the connectors and some of the repair kits that we have in stock using these connectors. As you may know, ERD Powertrain specializes in wire harness repair kits for diesel engines, heavy equipment, you name it. If it has a connector and we can find it online, we can make repair kits. They come with a bundle of wire with their respective pin and the original connector. ERD Powertrain has been developing these kits for quite a while now and are looking for different types of shops that want to collaborate and have these connectors or repair kits in their shop ready to go once they have customers come in, or we can send them out as soon as possible. So reach out to us, see if we have your repair kits. If we don't, we can take a look at them, evaluate, and see if we can develop these. But I just want to show you a couple of ones we have. So these Deutsch connectors, we have them in stock. These you can find them anywhere from harnesses to firewalls. We got these. This is also Deutsch connector found in like def harnesses. Got some colorful ones right here. These are from the def harness. I actually have a custom harness that we built. This is for the Freightliner Cascadia. As you can see, it's got the metal ring right here, and it's got these connectors, just like the ones you're seeing here. So if you have a damaged connector, you don't need to buy a full harness like this. But if you do, I mean, we have them in stock. We have this one made for the New York Cascadias GHG 17 models. Or you can just buy individual ones if it's just one connector that's damaged. We also have for the knock sensors. You can see these. They have the yellow ones, yellow levers. We have these Ford. You can find these on Ford ECUs. You can find these on scissor lifts, JOGs. We have the CPC4 connectors. We have the 21 or 21 pin connectors right here. These you can find them on the firewalls of different types of diesel trucks. These 62 pin lever connectors, you can find these on PACCAR engines or Kenworth engines. This 120 pin, you can find on Detroit Diesel, 120 pin. This Caterpillar connector, 70 pins, we got them. This another Caterpillar, this is a square one. You can find these on Caterpillar ECUs. And all of these come with a bundle of wire, depending on how many cavities it has, and the respective pins with either a wire seal or without a wire seal, depending on where this harness gets attached to. But we have these in stock. If you don't see the connectors that you need, give us a call, send us pictures, send the harness in, and we can see if we can develop it. And stay connected with the ERD Powertrain. Catch you later.